find the work done by force if a particle moves from 0, 0 to 2, 5 on the curve y square equal to x. Now, so first of all, you can tell me now here, if x value changes, y value changes. So that's why we can write it as what? Tell me now, ds displacement, x value changes. So we can say now dx into I cap plus dy into j cap. X value changes, y value changes. So now we need to find this work done. So it should be equal to integral of. So we have what we can say now, this is f bar dot ds bar. So which will be equal to integral of. So this is f. F is what we have, tell me now. F is 4x into I cap plus y square x into j cap dot with what, tell me now, dx into I cap plus dy into j cap. Now find the dot product now here. That is integral of 4x into dx plus, I can split now, integral of y square x into dy. Now here first term we have a x, dx is there, that's why we should take the x limits. Here the dx is there now, so that's why x limits are where to where now, 0 to 2. Here the dy is there, so y limits 0 to 5. Next, and you can see now here, so first term we'll do integration now. And what is this integration now? W, which is equal to 4 is outside. Here x power 1 na integration. X square by 2. X square by 2. Limits are what, tell me? 0 to 2. Plus. Here you see this thing. Integration is with respect to y. So all the terms must be in y only. X is not allowed. X is there now. We have to replace x with in terms of y. They given some relation is given now. Y square equal to x given. In place of x, we should replace as what, tell me? Y square. So now replace it now here. This is integral of. Yes, y limits are 0 to 5. This is y square. That means x is equal to y square. Now this already y square is there, so we will come it as what, tell me now, y power 4 into dy now. Now tell me this integration now here. So this will come to be a what, tell me now, 2 will get cancelled now. So this is 2 into limits if we substitute now here. This is 2 square here. T square minus 0 plus here y power 4 integration 5 by 5, 4 plus 1. Limits are what, tell me now, 0 to 5. Now, so then work done will come to be what, tell me now, 2 square, 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus we have 1 by 5 into, so y. So this is 5 power 5. 5 power 5 minus 0. So it will come to be a what, tell me now, this is 8 plus 5 power 5 by 5. 5 power 4. How much this one? 5 power 4. Means 25, 25 we can write. 625. So that is 625 plus 8. 633. So this is a work done.